find current through current through 6 ohm using superposition theorem. For the given circuit. For the given circuit. The same circuit, let us take 5 volt, 6 volt, 6 ohm, 5 ohm, 7 ohm. We have to find current through 6 ohm using superposition theorem. What superposition theorem says? Current through any branch is equal to sum of current through the resistance, sum of the responses for each source acting separately, while other sources are replaced by its internal impedances. For voltage sources, for current sources, replaced by open circuit. Here, voltage sources are replaced by internal impedance, and the current source also replaced by its internal impedance. It means we have to open the circuit. For current source, we have to open. For voltage source, we have to short circuit. First, let us consider. In this way, if you consider, there are 2 sources. One is 5 volt, another one is 6 volt. It's we are assuming that its internal impedance is 5 ohm, its internal impedance is 7 ohm. If you assume like that, we have to consider each source separately. Now consider only 5 volt source. 5 volt source we considered, and 5 ohm resistance is there, 6 ohm resistance is there. Short circuit the other source while considering one source. We are considering 5 volt source. Short circuit the 6 volt source. Now we have to find the current through 6 ohm. Here we can simplify the circuit by considering these 2 resistances are in parallel. So what we have to do? Find the equivalent resistance. Find the equivalent resistance. How much? Calculate. How to calculate? 6x inverse plus 7x inverse equal to, then again press x inverse. Find the equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance how much? 3.23. Am I correct? So this circuit is equivalent to 5 volt, 5 ohm, and 3.2 ohm. So totally how much? 8.23. Now these 2 are in series again. So we can add these 2 together. The total resistance is 8.23. 8.23 ohms. 8.23 ohms. 5 volt. Therefore, what is the total current? Total current I total equal to I 8.23. We can write like that. It will be convenient to mention like that. I 8.23 equal to 5 divided by 8.23. That is equal to how much? 0.607 or 0.61. So 0.61 amperes. So So here also 0.61 ampere. Here the total current is, why I am putting arrow here? Because this is positive terminal. So 0.61 ampere. So current is divided into two parts. One is through 6 ohm, another one is through 7 ohm. We can use the current dividing theorem. Now here we can use the current dividing theorem. Total current is 0.61. How I am projecting backward? Are you able to follow this? Here total current is 0.61. Again, two resistances are equal. That's why current is same. That's why 0.61 in both resistances. If you go here, total current is 0.61, but it is divided into two parts. That's why we have to find the current through 6 ohm. That is equal to I6 equal to I dash equal to. Now we can find the I dash. I dash means considering first source. I dash equal to 0.61 multiplied by other branch resistance. 7 divided by 7 plus 6, that is 13. That is equal to how much? 0.3271 ampere. 3271 ampere. Now we have to find by considering 6 volt source. If you consider the 6 volt source, 5 ohm will be there. This 5 volt will be short circuited. The 6 ohm will be there. And consider 6 volt alone. 5 volt is 5 volt has to be replaced by its internal impedance. That is 5 ohm. And this 7 ohm will be there. Now this 5 and 6 are in parallel. What is the equivalent resistance? 2.727. 727. 6 volt and 7 ohm. What is the total resistance? 9.727. And note that the direction of this is this way. Current direction is this way. This way. So what is the current? I 9.727 equal to 6 divided by 9.727. That is equal to how much? 0.6168 ampere. Now project here the same current, 0.6168 ampere. Here current through this is 0.6168. That is divided into two parts. Here the current direction is this way. Current direction is opposite to what is asked. The current direction is opposite. Note down this. Current direction is opposite to what is asked. The given direction is downward. The given direction is this way. But here the current direction is this way. That's why we have to consider this as minus. Therefore, I double dash equal to total current is 0.6168 multiplied by other branch resistance 5 divided by 11. 5 by 11. That is equal to minus 0.2803 amperes. Am I correct or not? Why I put minus? Direction is direction opposite to considered one. The direction is opposite to considered direction. That's why minus sign. Therefore, I equal to the required current I equal to I dash plus I double dash. That is 0.3284 minus 0.2803 equal to how much? 0.4 0.048 amperes. We got the same answer.